Hello guys, welcome back to Grow with Chesh YouTube channel. Today's topic is boom! Everyone dreams of waking up one morning and suddenly, bam! 1 million people watching your YouTube channel. Your phone starts vibrating like earthquake. Your mom asks, "Are you famous now?" But what if I tell you this dream is not fantasy? It is happening right now to thousands of creators. There is a brand new AI video niche taking over the internet. This thing is so powerful. Even beginners become viral stars in just days. Yes, days, not years, not decades, not next life. Look at this channel called Untold Healing. Only 62 videos, but millions of views, and the channel is monetized. He earns around $54,000 per month. Bro, my calculator fainted. Oh no, wait. Look at this channel, guys. What the hell is this? Only 88 videos, 254,000 subscribers. And these views? No. I think I am dreaming. 78 million, 58 million, 56 million views. Guys, what are we doing on YouTube? Are we sleeping? Don't worry, I caught this magic trick for you. If you watch this video till the end, no skipping, no toilet break, you can also get millions of views. And the crazy part? Every single video is made using free AI tools. Yes, free. Your wallet is safe. These videos are so addictive, people cannot stop watching. Even the algorithm says, "I love this video." Today, I will show you exactly how to make these viral short videos step by step, how to automate everything, and how to grow your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube faster than you ever imagined. So stay with me till the end. After this, you will never look at viral videos the same way again. All right. Let's start. First, let's look at one video from this channel to understand their style. As you can see, a man is eating chilies. Brave man. Then we see a cool visual showing how the food travels inside the body, how nutrients are absorbed, and what health benefits come from that food. Now, we understand the idea, so let's create our own version. I already prepared a Google Docs template for you. It has a ready-to-use prompt that makes everything super easy. This template helps you generate unlimited videos automatically. You can find the link in the video description below. Step number 1. Open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Go to the Google Docs file. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Click Generate. Boom. Now ChatGPT will ask you to enter a food or drink name. For example, type chili and press Enter. ChatGPT will generate image prompts and video prompts instantly. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Step number 2. Open Google Whisk. You will see a clean interface with a prompt box in the center. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Whisk. Select the 9:16 ratio because we are making shorts. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Boom! 2 images appear like magic. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, and repeat the same process. Do this until all your image prompts become images. Take your time. No need to panic like exam day. Once all images are ready, let's move on. Step number 3. Open Grok AI. On the left side, click the Imagine option. Upload the first image you created. Grok will start converting your image into a video automatically. But wait, we want superhero quality. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt for that image, paste it into Grok, and click Generate. Now the video looks much better and more accurate. Repeat this for all images. You can even use multiple accounts to save time. If any video looks blurry or weird, just regenerate it using the detailed prompt. Step number 4. Open CapCut and import all your video clips. Drag them into the timeline in correct order. First clip, man eating chili. Then continue. You will notice green backgrounds. Remove them using CapCut Background Remover. Now create a custom background using one blue image and one yellow image. Adjust them until your video looks clean and modern. Add a black overlay to make the text easy to read. Now let's add narration. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short one-line script for each scene. Copy that script. Go to ElevenLabs. Choose your favorite voice. Paste the script. Boom! Your voiceover is ready. Drag the voice into CapCut timeline. Add captions and choose a nice style. Match the captions with each scene carefully. Add background music to finish the video. Avoid copyright music if needed. Review everything once again. Export in 4K for best quality. And that's it. Your AI-powered short video is ready to fly. If this tutorial helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More powerful AI tricks are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.